My name is Ben Snyder. I'm the General Manager at Gregory Landscape Services.
My name is Jacob, and I'm the Operations Manager at Gregory Landscape Services.
So Gregory Landscape was started in the mid-90s. Our services include landscape maintenance and installation enhancements, irrigation, turf. We're a full-service landscape company for commercial facilities. Each specific type of facility has specific needs that we help to meet.
We have systems for everything, from our operations, from the shop to the field. Everything we do is centered towards perfection.
The reason why people should choose Gregory Landscape is because we're working hard every day to be the best we can be at whatever it is we're doing. I believe Gregory Landscape is the best at it.
And I can promise you that we're going to give you the best landscaping results that you can get.
At Gregory Landscape, we are about enriching the lives of others. We are about cultivating relationships with our customers. We are about people.